tell you. What did I tell you? Can you steer him this way? Yep. Up over the horn. Up over the horn like this. There you go. Turn him this way. There you got him. Good job. You do good. Can you make him stop? Lean back. Lean back. Whoa, very good. Give him a kick. Give him another one. There you go. Good job. There, we'll bring him up. Turn him this way. Okay, slow down. There you go. You got him. No, you're okay. Okay. Don't smile. Turn him my way. Don't you do it. Turn him over here. Turn him. Nope, up over the horn. Right here like this. There you go. Now turn him over. You got it. That's good. You got him. Give him a kick. Whoa, 2 feet. There you go. You make him stop? Make him stop. Lean back and tell him, whoa. 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 Okay, turn this way. Turn him this way. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. There you go. Almost. Make him stop again. Pull back with 2 hands hard. There you go. You turn him my way and follow me. Nope, you gotta hold 2 reins. Oh, there you go. You got it. Up over the... Whoa. You squeeze with your feet if you feel like you're gonna fall. You got it. Give him a boot. There you go. You got him. There you go. Over here by this tree. All right, over there by the tree. Very good. Good steering. Take him around the tree that way. Watch your horn. Watch your horn. Get the reins over your horn. See, they're stuck on the horn. You make him stop. Make him stop. Pull back. Whoa, tell him, whoa. 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 You got it. Now sit up straight. Okay, now give him a kick and bring him up here. Give him a kick. Good. Can you wave to Kenny? Don't, you're sliding off. Scoot over. There you go. Turn him my way. Turn him my way with 2 hands, honey. Up over the horn. There you go. Hold on. Let me make these a little tighter. All right, turn him my way. Turn him my way. Oh, hold on, you're backing him up. There, now turn him. There you go, turn him my way. Turn him. You got it. A little more. A little more. Good job. Turn him my way, honey. There you go. Hang on tight. Hold on with your feet. Give him a kick. Give him a kick. You gotta hold the 2 reins, honey. You gotta hold both of them so you can feel both of them, okay? There you go. Done? Okay. Not done? Then you better turn him up here. There you go. Now turn. There, you got him. Now let him go straight. Give him a kick. Turn him a little. Turn him a little. Turn him. Turn him. Whoa, turn him over towards Kenny. Take him over towards Kenny. Take him over that way. There you go. Okay, make him stop. Whoa, horsey. Okay, you done? You want to slide off his butt? Here. Let me slide off his butt. Wait! Slide off his hiney? Like Kenny did? You can sit on his hiney. How about you stand up on him like you did Starbuck? No, don't cry, don't cry. Ready? Jump. I'm gonna catch you. Boom.